Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erin with Snowberry Design Co, and in today's video, I'll be painting this bright, summery bouquet. This is the place to be if you want to learn how to paint watercolor flowers. I post a new tutorial every single week. Before we get started, I wanted to tell you about my free supply checklist. I've created a list of all the supplies I recommend for painting watercolor flowers, including individual color names. So definitely check that out if you're interested. You can find it on my website, snowberrydesignco.com, or I'll put the link in the description box below. I'll try to name all the products I'm using as I'm going, but I'll also have a link to my Amazon store in the description box below where I've listed all the paint colors on my palette and the supplies and products I use regularly, so be sure to check that out. To start, I'm using my size 10 round brush to paint my main dahlia. I've basically just used cadmium yellow medium hue for these, and then I'm slowly going around and adding tiny petals until I get the size that I want. Now using isoindolin yellow, I'm painting these half sideways facing daisies as filler flowers around my dahlia. Next, using shell pink, I'm adding in some roses. Now that I've got my flowers in place, I'm adding in some greenery. I'm mixing Payne's Gray, Sap Green, and a little bit of Aurelian for these rounded leaves and some leaves up in the upper right side. Next, I'm adding in some stems and leaves to these filler flowers and then down next to these bottom flowers. Now I'm adding in some details to my leaves and darkening the centers of my flowers for some added definition. I'm using my Princeton Detailer dagger brush for these leaf details. I really like using the dagger brush every once in a while because it doesn't create a perfectly straight line every time, which I like. I love that the thickness changes slightly without me having to think about it. Then I'm adding a few little sprigs and then I'll call this done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love bright, summery flowers, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you know somebody who likes dahlia and roses, please share this with them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to sign up for your free checklist over on my website. Thanks again for watching. Bye!